Cannabis is not a problem. The problem of people taking higher drug like cocaine or that is in the situation in the country is very dull. If Nigeria change the situation to be better, to be brighter.
So you're telling me that the people who are indulging or engaging in drugs are doing it because of the situation of the country? Really?
Yes, most of them are going in. I'm telling you, which I know about it. Not even in their hand. Their hand is not a problem. If in their hand is a problem, Ugu will be a problem. Peter leaf will be a problem for the body. Because all is leaves, nature. I can tell you that
funny.
The Indian hemp does not have any problem. It was cocaine, all those big drugs that is disturbing people, making people get addicted, like him. But Indian hemp doesn't have.
So you don't think that cannabis is addictive?
No.
Can I ask you? Can I ask Mazi? Have you tasted cannabis before?
No, I know about it. That's why I'm telling you.
Oh, really? And you haven't had any side effects?
No.
So this means that you have been engaging in drugs.
You need to control whatever you take. You want to control. If you don't control anything, even if it's a goosey, it will let you down.
Okay.
So you need to control your life and make sure that life is perfect in you by taking what you're supposed to take, not to take what is not supposed to take.
Okay, Mazi, thank you very much for calling. David, you heard what he said. Please come in.
Can I speak for a minute about that, please? Mm-hmm. Now, I think it's important that we discuss or we talk about the harmful effects of marijuana because from what our caller has just said, it's obvious that certain people don't even know what they are going into when they smoke a joint of marijuana. Mm-hmm. Now, the immediate effects of taking marijuana include rapid heartbeats, disorientation, lack of physical coordination, often followed by depression or sleepiness. Some users suffer panic attacks or anxiety. But you see, the problem does not end there. According to scientific studies, the active ingredients in cannabis, which I talked about earlier, is THC, tetrahydrocannabinol. Mm-hmm. This remains in the body for weeks or even months. Now, it will surprise you to know that marijuana smoke contains 50 to 70% of cancer-causing substances.
Wow.
A lot of people don't know that. A lot of people just think cancer-causing chemicals are in just tobacco. You also have this in marijuana. One major research study reported that a single cannabis joint can cause as much damage to the lungs as up to 5 regular cigarettes smoked one after the other. So I hope our previous caller is listening to me because I'm not just making this up. This is coming out of hours and years and months of research. Now, I'll round this up very quickly. Long-time joint smokers, that's marijuana smokers, often suffer from bronchitis and inflammation of the respiratory tract also. Then the drug can affect more than your physical health. Studies in Australia in 2008 linked years of heavy marijuana use to brain abnormalities. And Mary-Ann, trust me when I say I have people I'm working with currently that are suffering from severe brain damage simply by using marijuana. This is backed up by earlier research on the long-term effects of marijuana, which indicates changes in the brain similar to those caused by long-term use of other major drugs. Just like he was saying, the previous caller said that the so-called higher drugs like cocaine or heroin are the ones that cause problems. Marijuana use can also cause some of the same effects on your brain.
Wow.
And a number of studies have shown the connection between continued marijuana use and psychosis. Marijuana can change the entire structure of sperm cells, deforming them. Thus, even small amounts of marijuana, now I just had to mention this in closing, small amounts of marijuana can cause temporary sterility in men. It's very important that we understand the effects, the harmful effects of marijuana, instead of listening to what people just say it can do or what people make you believe are the benefits of it. These are some of the harmful effects of the drug marijuana.